morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7. I myself, Rebti Raman, mathematics teachers of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I hope that you will have finished chapter 1 and chapter 2. Dear students, today I shall discuss with you about decimals of chapter 3. So first of all, decimals of chapter 3. I define decimals. The numbers expressed in decimal form. The numbers expressed in decimal form are called decimals. Some examples here, such that 6 by 10. 6 by 10 change into 0.6. Next, 18 by 100 equal to change into 0.18. Next, 1235 by 1000 equal to 1.235. So 0.6, 0.18 and 1.235 are the examples of decimals. A decimal has two parts. One is whole number part and other is decimal parts. Both parts are separated by a dot point. The name of this dot point is decimal point. So examples 1. A decimal numbers write on your board 125.356. A decimal has two parts. Whole number parts, a part right side, a part on the right side of decimal point are called whole number parts, and a part on left side of decimal point are called decimal part. So 356, this is called decimal part, and left side it is called whole number part, and dot point is called decimal point. Write it. 125 is whole number part and 356 is the decimal part, and point is called decimal point. So write it. And next term is decimal places. Next term is decimal places. the number of digits in a decimal parts, the number of digits in a decimal parts of a decimals is called decimal places. Example: 2.25. Here 2 decimal places. 12.562. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. Next example: 126.3205. Here 4 decimal places and 5.2. Here only 1 decimal places. So here students, decimal places, a number of digits in a decimal parts of a decimal number are called decimal places. Example here: 2.25. In this decimal, 2 number of decimal places. 12.562. In this number, 3 number of decimal places. 126.3205. In this decimals, 4 decimal places, and lastly 5.2. In this only 1 decimal places. Next term is like. Like decimals. Like decimals. Like decimals. Decimals having same number of decimal places. A decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. As for example, 2.356, 3.125, 12.358. All examples have 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. So these are the example of like. These are the example of like decimals. Like decimals, a decimals having same number of decimal places, it's called like decimals. Example: all decimals number have 3 decimal places, so these are the examples of like decimals. Now next is unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places. Decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Example: 2.563, 12.5, 9.25. Here 3 decimal numbers. Write on your board. First decimal number have 3 decimal places. Second decimal has 1 decimal places, and third decimal have 2 decimal places. So these are the example of unlike decimal places. Change unlike decimal places into like decimal places. Here highest number of decimal places is 3. So 2.563 equal to 12.5. We can write so many digits after decimal point. So 3 decimal places, 2, 3. 9.25 change into like decimal place. decimals equal to 9.25, write 10. So like unlike decimals change into like decimals. Write it. My dear students, continue decimals of chapter 3, exercise 3A. Write on your board some important questions for solve exercise 3A. Question number 1 of 1. Change into fraction. A number is 0.8. Change into fraction. Here after decimal 1 digit. So write in numerator without decimal number 8. After decimal 1 digit, so 8 divided by 10. Cancel it. 4 2 ja 10 and 5. 4 2 ja 8 and 5 2 ja 10. Answer. Second, 0.75. 0.75. Here after decimal 2 digit. So it is divided by 100. Cancel it. 25 3 ja 75 and 25 4 ja 100. 3 by 100. Answer. Write it. So question number 1 solve. Question number 1 of 3. Question number 1 of 3. Change into decimal. 47 by 100. Here 47 divided by 100. After 1, 2 zeros. So decimal change into 2 places, right to left. So 4, 7, 4, decimal 0. Next, question number 2. 156 by 100. 156 divided by 100. So 1.56 answer. So question 3 also should write it. Now dear students, last question, important question is 9 of 2. Express rupees. Question number 2, 9 rupees 25 paise. 9 rupees 75 paise. So rupees 9.75. Remove rupees, give point, and after decimal write passes 75 and passes also remove. Answer. Write it.